You are welcome to Davetuts Academy, where we feature free video tutorials to help you understand the fundamentals of mathematics and the science subjects. We have comprehensive solutions to numerous past questions from various exams, including WAEC, NECO, GCE, JAMB, GED, and high GCSE. These are aimed at preparing you to ace your exam with flying colors so that you can successfully build that great career you have always longed for. All you have to do is to just subscribe to Davetuts Academy and turn on that notification bell so as to set yourself on a path to excellence. And with that, we can head over to our video for today, okay? In this question, we are to solve the inequality 1 plus 4x over 2 minus 5 plus 2x over 7 is less than x minus 2. What we need to do as a rule of thumb is to first find the LCM of these two fractions, and the LCM here will be 14 since both of them are not factors of one another. So we just say 2 and 7, the LCM is 14. So we are going to have 14 as the new denominator, and we can just go ahead to input that and say we have 14. Okay, now 14 divided by 2 is 7. That 7 will be used to multiply the whole of the numerator in this first fraction. So we have 7 into bracket 1 plus 4x. Then this negative sign minus 14 divided by 7 is 2. That will be used to multiply the whole of this numerator in the second fraction. So we have minus 2 multiplied by 5 plus 2x. We close the bracket. That is how to find the LCM and carry out the algebraic process on fractions like this. Then we have our right hand side. It is less than x minus 2. This is just as if we are having x minus 2 over 1, because we know that any number divided by 1 is still that number. So I'm expressing like this so that we can find it easy to cross multiply. Okay, so 1 is going to multiply all the numerator on the left hand side, and 14 will be used to multiply the numerator here on the right hand side. If we are to do that, that means we are going to have, since 1 times all of this will still remain all of those, because 1 will not have any effect. I can have it as 7 multiplied by 1 plus 4x minus 2 multiplied by 5 plus 2x. Then this less than sign, okay? Then 14 multiplied by x minus 2. So now we have a linear expression in this inequality that we can solve by opening the bracket. So to open the bracket, we say 7 times 1, that is 7. 7 times 4x, that is plus 28x, okay, minus 2 times 5 is 10, okay, minus 2 times plus 2x. This negative sign will multiply this positive sign to give a negative sign. 2 multiplied by 2x will be 4x. Okay, this is the right approach to open up a bracket when you are multiplying with a negative sign. Then we can say this is less than 14 times x is 14x. Then 14 times minus 2 is minus 28. All right, so having that and doing that, we are on the right track. What we now need to do is to collect the like terms. The expressions that we have here that are having the variable x can come to one side. The other expressions without any variable can go to the other side. So I'm going to take x to the left hand side and the ones without variables to the right hand side. So here I have 28x. This minus 4x is here, minus 4x. When this 14x, which is positive on the right hand side, when it moves over to the other side, it becomes minus 14x. Or it's as if you are saying that subtract 14x from both sides. This 14x minus 14x will cancel, and on the left hand side we still have the minus 14x that we are subtracting. Okay, then we have the less than inequality sign. Here we have minus 28. When 7 is taken to the other side, we have minus 7. When minus 10 is taken to the other side, it becomes plus 10. All right, so doing that, we can now express this correctly by simplifying. 28x minus 4x, that will give us 24x. That 24x minus 14s, that we are saying 24 minus 14, we just have x as the addendum in this case. So that will give us 10x is less than minus 28 minus 7. We have negative in two places, so the negative sign will be taken into effect, and here we are going to have minus 35. Minus 35 plus 10, that will be minus 25. Okay, so we have simplified this so far like this, but we can just eliminate the coefficient of x by dividing both sides by 10. So this 10 here can cancel this 10, and we're going to have 1. Then here 5 can go in, minus 25, that will be minus 5. 5 can go in 10, that will be 2. So we can say x is less than minus 5 over 2, or we can even simplify further to say x is less than minus 2.5. okay, because 5 over 2 is the same as 2.5. But as a rule of thumb, always represent your inequality on a number line. Always represent inequalities on number line. Whenever you have inequality questions like this, make sure you put it on number line, and that is what we assure you that you are going to get your full marks. Okay, so if you want to do that here, since we have just x to be less than minus 2.5, we can have our straight line. Okay, and you can use whatever unit you want to use. You can say this is 1, this is 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and minus 4. Okay, what we are concerned about here in this particular case is minus 2.5, and we can see that will be between minus 2 here and minus 3 here. It is the midpoint, that is where we have minus 2.5. So because this is only a less than sign without the less than or equal to, okay, that means we are going to use an empty circle. Okay, and then x is less than this value, means that the value of x will go towards the negative, towards the left hand side. So this, you can say it is x is less than minus 2.5, and you are sure that you are going to get your full mark. So that is all there is to this question. So that's all we are going to be having in our lecture today. We hope that this will be of benefit, of use to somebody out there. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We have a lot of resources that you can use to enhance your academic excellence, and that's our desire, that you go out and be the best. And as you do all this, we know that all will work out together for good. Until next time, God bless you.